Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the first thing people see when they approach your home, the first line of defense against the elements, and a key factor in your home's energy efficiency. If you've been considering home improvements, entry door replacement in Sanford is one of the smartest investments you can make. Here's why upgrading your entry door can be a game changer for your home's curb appeal, security, and long-term value. Boost curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your entry door plays a big role in how your home is perceived. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can make your property look neglected, while a new, stylish door can immediately elevate the exterior of your home. Whether you opt for a classic wood door, a sleek fiberglass option, or a modern steel design, a high-quality entry door is an attractive feature that enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. In Sanford, where homeowners take pride in their properties, upgrading your entry door not only improves your own living experience but can also raise the overall appeal of your neighborhood. A beautiful door can tie together the architectural style of your home and make it stand out, potentially increasing its resale value. Increase energy efficiency. The energy efficiency is one of the most compelling reasons to replace your entry door. Older doors, particularly those that are made of wood or have outdated insulation, are often drafty and allow air to leak in and out. This can lead to higher heating and cooling bills, as your HVAC system works harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Modern entry doors are designed with advanced insulation technologies that provide a much tighter seal. Many are equipped with weather stripping and energy-efficient glass options that help keep the inside of your home more stable and comfortable. By installing a new, energy-efficient door, you can reduce your home's energy consumption, save money on utility bills, and contribute to environmental sustainability. Enhance home security. Your entry door is your home's first line of defense against break-ins and intrusions. A strong, well-made door, paired with high-quality hardware like deadbolts and smart locks, can significantly increase your home's security. Older doors, especially those with visible wear and tear, can be vulnerable to forced entry. Replacing your entry door with a solid, secure option, such as a steel door or a fiberglass door with reinforced cores, can give you peace of mind knowing your home is protected. Furthermore, newer doors are often designed to withstand various elements, from strong winds to attempted break-ins, providing enhanced durability and safety. Improve home value and ROI. Homeowners in Sanford know that making smart investments in their property can pay off down the road. When it comes to entry doors, studies show that replacing your front door can provide a high return on investment, ROI, if you plan to sell your home. According to Remodeling Magazine's Cost versus Value report, homeowners can recoup a significant percentage of the cost of an entry door replacement when selling their home. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, the improved curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security benefits make the replacement a wise financial decision that will enhance your home's value over time. Customizable to your style. Another great reason to replace your entry door is the opportunity for customization. Modern doors come in a wide variety of materials, styles, and colors, giving you the ability to choose one that perfectly complements your home's design. Whether you're looking for a classic, traditional look or something more contemporary, there are endless options available. Plus, many modern doors feature customizable glass panels, hardware, and finishes, allowing you to personalize the look and functionality of your entryway. Low maintenance and long-lasting. A new entry door can also reduce the amount of maintenance required to keep your home looking great. Newer materials like fiberglass and steel are highly durable and low maintenance, unlike traditional wood doors that can warp, rot, or need regular painting. These modern options are built to withstand the elements and stay looking fresh with minimal care. Conclusion: replacing your entry door is a smart investment that can significantly enhance your Sanford home in multiple ways. From boosting curb appeal and improving energy efficiency to increasing home security and adding long-term value, a new front door offers countless benefits. It's an upgrade that not only makes your home look better but also contributes to its functionality and overall appeal. So, if you're looking to make a lasting improvement to your home, consider entry door replacement as one of your top choices.